I was sent this 12,000 pound heavy duty trailer jack from Kohree and asked if I could make this video and give my opinion on it. This is a very solid, strong jack. So 12,000 pounds is what's going to lift. You could use this on a very large trailer, very heavy trailer right here at the front, as this picture depicts, to hold the whole balance of the weight of the truck and trailer. No problem. It's very, very strong. Whole thing is made out of steel. It's welded throughout. Even the handle is well thought out in that the spinning part here is also metal, so there's nothing on this to wear out, nothing to get dry rotted, or no plastics, no rubber on it. It's just solid steel, so it's going to last you a lifetime. Very interesting design here. This is meant to be attached with a weld. So what I'll be doing later is welding this to this beam here on this big shredder, this John Deere shredder. I'm going to just weld it on this side here, and across, and that'll hold it in place firmly so that when I'm lifting up this shredder, I can detach my tractor, and then again, this will always be ready. Don't have to worry about these things getting knocked off. So some of the cheaper trailer jacks, they just don't hold up if they get banged on. This welded in place will be just as strong as the rest of the shredder. So a couple features about how this works. This is the spring-loaded version, which means that the foot will come up all by itself with just a little assist from you slowing it down. Very strong spring. It'll save you some time. You don't have to spend the time winding it back up. What you're going to do here to extend it is you're going to take this handle and turn it like this. You can slide this into here, and now you're centered, and you'll be able to turn it, and then the whole piece is going to lift. It's going to push that foot downward. Now to go down, you can also go this way, manually. Bring it down like that. Or you've got this version here with the speed, whereby I could just take this piece here, pull it out, remove this pin from the inside here, lock it in place onto the side, and with my foot on the bottom foot here, I can let that spring slowly come up and into the base, so that way it doesn't smash up into there. But that's easy because you can remove it ever so quickly, and then just by hand crank it to put it downward. So you only have to do it by hand in one direction. Real nice way they got this handle set up here. You can use it on either side. So you could, whatever's more convenient to you, you could put the handle on either side. When the handle's not in use, it doesn't have to stick out this far. You can fold it back like this, put a bungee cord around it or something there to attach it. They give you everything you need to set it up. It's super easy. All you got to be able to do is have that welding capability to weld it onto your structure. And otherwise, that's it. It's a very good trailer jack. Tons of strength on this thing, and I really like the features for the retrieval of the spring-loaded activity. I hope that helps learn a little bit more about this trailer jack. As always, hope you have a great day.